MEW 4-hour chart is bearish. We are trying to bounce off the support and we should get a big move in the next weeks, whether it's to the upside or to the downside. Welcome back to a new update. That's part 2 for today. In the last part we talked about some different coins, so you might want to check that out. But let's start the new episode. If we'll get rejected, then my first target is around 1.8 to 2,000 units. And if we'll manage to pump, then my first target is between 6 to 6.5 thousand units. MANTA 4-hour chart is bearish and we are forming a very beautiful pattern. We are getting squeezed in this pattern and I expect a breakout in the next few days. So let's talk about the targets. If we will get rejected, then my next support target is around $1.2. But if we will pump from here, then my next resistance is around $3.5 to $4, which is a pretty big pump. LDO 1-week chart is bullish, although we keep on pushing down, but we are still holding the local lows. As long as we are trending up, I'm more bullish. We are making higher highs and higher lows, so we can come back to this range and start holding it once again. But if we'll get rejected, then my next support target is around $1. But if we'll continue to pump, then my next target is between $5 to $5.5. Link 1-day chart is bullish, and in the last 48 hours we are breaking up. If we break this range and hold it, we can pump hard. If we will get rejected though, then my next support target is around $10. But if we will manage to pump, then my next target is around $35. LOOM 1-day chart is bullish. We are breaking up and we are about to test a big resistance zone. As you can see, we got many rejections from these local highs. If we'll continue to break down, then I believe my next support target is around 5 cents, which is a pretty big dump. But if we will manage to pump, then my first target is between 13 to 15 cents. NOTCOIN is a new coin that was recently launched and added to the exchanges. We are forming this first pattern, which is a descending triangle, and we should get a breakout very soon. We are trying to break up from here, but as you can see, we are still struggling to do so. If we will get rejected, then my next target is around 4.5 thousand units. But if we will manage to pump, then my first target is between 11 to 13,000 units. YFI 1-day chart is bearish. We are trying to break up and I expect a big move in the next days. We are getting another retest of the moving average, and in the last months we got many rejections from this indicator. So if we will continue to dump, my next support target is around 5,000 units. But if we'll pump from here, then my first target is between $10 to $11,000. I change it to dollars. MATIC 4-hour chart is bearish and we are trying to pump After bouncing of this support area for a while, we held it nicely and we are trying to pump once again. But if we will get rejected, then my next support target is around 50 cents. And if we will manage to pump, my first target is around $1. MANEKI 4-hour chart is bullish. In the last days we are pumping and we are getting into some resistance, as you can see. So if we will get rejected, then my first target is around 600 units. And if we will continue to pump, my first target is between 1.5 to 2k units. LDO 1 week chart is bullish, although we keep on pushing down, but we are still holding the local lows. As long as we are trending up, I'm more bullish. We are making higher highs and higher lows, so we can come back to this range and start holding it once again. But if we'll get rejected, then my next support target is around $1. But if we will continue to pump, then my next target is between $5 to $5.5. PYTH 1-day chart is bearish, and in the last weeks we are pushing down. We hit my support target exactly as I predicted. My previous support was around 40 cents to 50 cents, and as you can see we got to this support range. So hopefully we will manage to bounce, but if we will get rejected and break down from here, my next target is around 30 cents. And if we will break up, then my first target is between 70 cents to $1. And that's gonna be it for today. Of course, I'm going to keep updating you with these crypto infos, so leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.